Properly preparing for your hike can be the most effective way to avoid a dangerous encounter with a bear or other wildlife. Even if you have all the right gear, the way you pack can make a huge difference in both comfort and accessibility to what you need when you need it. As you can see here, I have all the backpacking essentials: a tent, sleeping bag, stove, hydration pack, clothes, and my newest addition, the Sabre Frontiersman INSIDER. The Frontiersman INSIDER Bear Safe from Sabre allows me to pack plenty of food to keep me going while also providing protection and peace of mind. Other key advantages include the unique slim design for fit, comfort, and easy packing inside backpacks 45 liters or larger, high-capacity storage, which is ideal for multi-day hikes or family use, an airtight seal which will contain any bear-attracting odors, and a smooth design which provides no ridges for a bear to get its claws into the bear safe. When packing your backpack, put your least frequently used items like your sleeping bag on the bottom and your most accessed items on the top. Weight distribution is very important. The slim, tall design and center-weighted shape of the Frontiersman INSIDER provides equal load distribution. Place the food canister into the center of the backpack with the flat side positioned towards your back and closest to your spine for comfort. You'll want to pack the additional lighter items around the sides and on top. Proper load distribution cannot be underestimated. Anyone who's been on a long hike knows what can happen when things are packed disproportionately. Once you're properly packed, it's time to get out and enjoy what you came all this way for. Be sure to check out the full line of Frontiersman bear deterrent products, including the bear horn and bear spray, at sabrered.com.